Modern education rewards abstraction. Concepts are separated from consequences. Knowledge is presented without context. Builders notice this gap immediately. Welcome back to the Dirt Floor MBA, and on today's episode, we are discussing why modern education ignores reality. Before we jump into that, a message from our sponsor, Management Solutions. This episode is supported by Management Solutions. We document real systems, off-grid power, fabrication, food, and self-reliance built under real constraints. No hype, no theory, just what works and why. If you're building something real, on land, in a shop, or inside a system, and you want guidance, design support, or strategic input, you can reach me directly at ifimayems@gmail.com. The correct spelling is in the description below. That's Management Solutions, systems over sales. And now, back to the show. In most classrooms, failure is punished. Grades drop. Progress slows. The lesson becomes avoidance, not learning. Reality works differently. In real systems, failure is feedback. Materials fail. Processes break. Assumptions are exposed. Builders learn by correcting, not avoiding. Education optimizes for throughput. Completion matters more than capability. Predictability matters more than performance. This keeps institutions efficient. It leaves operators unprepared. Reality does not offer retakes. A structure stands or it doesn't. A system works or it fails. Reality is the final exam. Avoiding consequences delays competence. People graduate confident but fragile. Mistakes arrive later when the cost is higher. Builders encounter pressure early. They adjust before failure becomes catastrophic. This is not an argument against learning. It is an argument against insulation from reality. Education that includes consequences produces capability. Builders don't reject education. They demand that it answer to reality. Learning that pays you back survives. Credentials expire. Reality does not. Reality is the only validator that never goes out of date. The system failed. Builders will rebuild it.